Painting we are only using white and ultramarine blue color, so I am taking a few drops of ultramarine blue, mixing it with some white. Now I am putting dark shade on the top of the sky. Now I am moving to lighter shade. So for blending, mix some white into darker shade and blend well. Now I'm taking more white in the middle and keep moving in upward direction for the smooth transition effect. Now we are moving to the sea part. For the sea part, we have to move through lighter shade to darker shade. Keep adding layers for smooth effect. I am putting more lighter shade to the top of the sea to differentiate it from the sky. Now I am going to take this round brush and we have to take some lighter shade of blue and make a circle in the middle of the sky. Make sure it is similar to the sky color. Now we are putting more lighter shade in the middle to give brightness to our moon. Now we are taking pure white color for the moon. So our moon is done. Now we are moving to waves, making thin lines in the ending, and we have to blend it. For the waves area, we have to take a very dry brush and take very less amount of white to give it a rough look. For the highlights, make very thin lines in the middle. Now our sunset is done and we are removing the tape. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel.